secret trail. Some trails are marked with signs, some with cairns, some with the faint memory of footsteps pressed into sand. And then there are the others, the trails the desert keeps for itself. They don't appear on maps, they don't begin at a trailhead, they begin inside you, the moment you realize the land has been watching. Travelers speak of them in half remembered stories. A past that wasn't there yesterday, a shadow that points the wrong direction, a canyon that seems to rearrange itself when you look away. No one walks these trails by accident. They reveal themselves only to those who have listened long enough to hear the silence beneath the silence. Old rangers say the secret trail is not a place but a test, a puzzle the desert offers to those it trusts. A game of noticing, a game of patience, a game of secrets. Some say the trail begins with a sealed box, a box that cannot be opened until the land decides you're ready, a box that holds a journey you must walk alone. Inside it is not a map, but a mystery, not a destination, but a challenge, not a story told, but a story waiting. The secret trail is the desert's way of saying, you've learned to listen, now learn to discover. And so the sixth symbol is not shown. It is sealed, silent, waiting, just like the trail it represents. Because some paths cannot be explained, some stories cannot be filmed, some secrets cannot be given. They must be found.